Hello students, standard 7th. Today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 13, Exponents and Powers. We know that when the same number is multiplied with itself more than one time, then we write down them as exponents form or the power form. And we can write down in the short. For example, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We see that here 3 is multiplied with itself 4 times. We write down as 3 raised to 4. So here 3 is called the base and 4 is known as the exponent. So in short we write down as 3 raised to 4. How we read it? 3 raised to power 4. Similarly, if it is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 5 times, we write down as 7 raised to power 5. Now, if it is only 2 times, like 10 multiplied by 10, then we write down as squared of 10. And if it is like 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12, when there is 3 power, we have a special name cube. So cubed of 12. So 2 power and 3 power have the special name, that is the square and the cube. So square of 5. 5 square means square of 5. 8 cube means cube of 8. So other we have to write down like that, but for this 2 power and 3 power, there is a special name. So that is the exponent form, in which here also 12 is known as the base and 3 is the exponent. Then we also saw that some of the rules for it. Just we will revise the rules also first. First one, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n means when the bases are equal and the product is there, then we add the powers, means a raised to m plus n. The second rule is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Means that it is in the form of like that, a raised to m upon a raised to n. Then we have to subtract the powers. So when the bases are equal and if multiplication, we have to add the powers. Division, then we have to subtract the powers. Similarly, the other rule also there, that is the power of power. Means a raised to m, and the bracket again has the power. Then we have to multiply the powers, means a raised to m into n or a raised to mn. Then the fourth rule is, I gave you a special name also, only for the understand, that is Mummy Papa's rule. That if A multiplied by B, there are two or more numbers in the bracket and the whole bracket has power m, then it will be given to both of them a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. So when the bases are different multiplied and the whole bracket has power, the power will be given to both or more than that also, all of them will get them. Similarly, the other rule is that if it is in the form of fraction a upon b and power m, same thing here also, that a raised to m upon b raised to m. One more thing to remember, that any base has a zero power, then the answer will be 1. Doesn't matter which number is there. It is a positive number, is it a negative number, or big number, anything. But the power 0 is there, then the answer is always 1. So that is the thing, all the rules that we should remember, then it will be easier for us to do the sums or simplification or the finding the value, etc. will be easier for us. So first of all, you will write down those rules and keep them in the mind, then it will be easier for you. Let us take some blanks first. First one, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is written as blank in the power form. So here number 10 is repeated, so base will be 10. How many times is it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 raised to 5, it can be written as. So your answer is 10 raised to 5. Second, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is written as blank in the power form. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 times 2. So 2 raised to power 4. Number 3. Square of 7 is written as blank. So now square of 7 means 7 raised to power 2. Fourth one, cube of 5 is written as, so 5 cubed. So 5 raised to, so you have to remember that square is power 2 and cube is power 3. Fifth one, in 3 raised to power 12. Dash is the base. Here we know that 3 is the base and 12 is the exponent or the power. In 4 raised to 8, dash is the exponent. So whatever is on the other number is known as exponent. So here 4 is the base and 8 is the exponent. 7. 2 raised to 4 is equal to blank. We know that 2 raised to 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 raised to 4, answer is 16. 8th blank. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to blank square. Here you can see that it is 4, 4, 4, 4. But it is square. So we have to part them like that. Means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 and again 16. 16 into 16. So it is square of 16. 9th one. The value of two cube multiplied by 3 square. Here you cannot apply any rules. So we just have to simplify. So 2 raised to cube multiplied by 3 square. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 3 squared means 3 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. So 8 9s are 72. So answer is 72. Next, if 2 raised to n is equal to 32, then n is equal to blank. Now we know that 32. So 2 raised to n is equal to 32. What is 32? 32 is how many times 5? 2, 5 times. So we can write down as 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 5. Here bases are equal. So the exponents are also equal. So we can say that value of n is 5. So if you don't understand, just do that one in your rough page and then you will see that 2 raised to n is 2 raised to 5. So now bases are equal and both the answers are equal. It means that the exponents are also equal. So that is the answer. 11. Minus 3 power 4. Now here minus 3 raised to 4 means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 how many times? 4 times. Now here negative negative becomes positive. Here also negative negative becomes positive. So answer is 9 9s are 81. So here by mistake don't write down minus 81. Because when a negative number have even power, then the answer will be positive. and if the power is odd, then only the answer can be negative. So we have to be very careful when the negative number is as the base. 13, next 12. Minus 2 squared multiplied by minus 3 raised to 3. Now here minus 2 square means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 3 cube means 3 times. Here you can see that it is 2 times, so 2 2s will be 4. But here there are 3 times, so negative will be there. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So your answer will be negative. So it will be minus 108. So your answer is minus 108. Then the other one is 525 raised to 0. Now when the power is 0, exponent is 0, doesn't matter which is the base, your answer will be 1 only. So be careful about it, that when there is a 0 power, the answer is always 1. So here we are going to finish this session. Will be followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.